Who killed a St. Catherine-based pastor and why? It's the question on the minds of many 24 hours after Reverend Lynval Lewis was murdered outside his home.
No, everybody do a story upon a pastor, yeah. And me even here on the spot news media, a inter story say is a JLP councillor named Hines might be involved. But here what Sherlock Holmes say, when it look impossible, that's when it's possible. And it's plain as day who kill a blowout pastor, yeah. Me I try not cuss no bad word, but we know who kill a pastor, yeah. And if the police them don't know that, me I go tell them in another video, yeah.
We visited the area where scores of congregants also assembled earlier today. Jamaica Maitland reports.
It's a roller coaster of emotions for family and friends of Reverend Lynval Lewis, the pastor who was shot several times as he left his home in Greater Portmore Monday afternoon. He died while undergoing treatment at hospital Monday night.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. Yo, when you hear what that video there, where that woman they just said on the news, listen, when you not see who kill a pastor up to now, like me say, Sherlock Holmes say, when it looks impossible, listen to me now, you know. The great Sherlock Holmes said when it look impossible, that's when it is possible. And I am not gonna spend a long time talking about the pastor, yeah, because all of them are thief and criminal, just like the gang member them. But me I go lay it out to Uno. Me I play a little bit more of this clip, and then me I go come back and me I go make Uno know who kill him and why the police are do the investigation in the wrong way. And that's the problem with the Jamaican police. Let's go.
And on Tuesday, the police met with stakeholders. Acting head of the St. Catherine South Police Division, Superintendent Hopton Nicholson, made this appeal.
I'm going to appeal, and to the media, we're going to appeal to persons who have seen, because it is not a lonely area, it's an occupied space, and we are hoping that persons who saw will come and talk to us. We are in the initial stage of investigation, and we are hoping to make a breakthrough.
No, me not play no more video clip of that pastor you're killing. But me I go talk about the police at first. You understand? And then after me talk about the police, me I tell you now who killed the pastor, in my opinion. Now, from you hear what the police say, he said, oh, it's an open space, people is there, people who see. Come up. These police are approaching the murder investigation in the wrong way, especially when it comes to a pastor, because they might act like the pastor is a gang member, and you know, they're used to, oh yeah, them money over here so busted fire upon G-City, and I busted them do it, then G-City them do it. But even then, when you have busted and G-City a war and them coming at each other neighborhood, is people inside the neighborhood giving information. You understand? I want you to listen to me now. When you say Shabdan get accused of going in a mobile, in a little area and shoot J-man, woman, and police lock him up, it's information. Do you understand? It's information. Shabdan is getting. Let me repeat. Information the opposing gang member is getting. So people is feeding intelligence to the gang member them in the neighborhood. Now, in this case, it's a little bit different, or a lot different, but it is also similar. It's just that the police needs to approach this case from a different angle. Now, the police came out, they're begging for people to see. So they're saying, okay, if countryman see a man in a Santa Claus outfit and him look like Johnny, report it. And that might be the man who killed the pastor. On the spot media say he's mixed up with JLP counselor and whatnot. But what I am going to say, they need to check his wife. You understand? That man is killed by his damn wife or somebody, a family member, or a very close friend. You understand? No, even if it's a contract killing, I am telling you, the police needs to start with his damn wife. Just like the girl, Amobi will kill her son. You understand? And Jamaican police, they're obsessed with these gang members. And then other crime goes unattended. They need to talk to that pastor man wife and him pitney them and him family and friends. And them kill him. That means say, me now go dress it up, you know, and speak nice and this and that. Sherlock Holmes tell you, when it looks impossible, that man is not mixed up with nobody, not doing anything. And then the police is gonna come, oh yeah, if you see, no. Go to his wife. Check the wife out and the kids them out and the family member out. That's what they need to do. Talk to them, hear them alibi, and check out everybody alibi. That's how police works. The way how they approach it, Jamaica, it's crazy. You talk to everybody, it no matter, busted, stonehead, whoever, woman, pitney, man, animal. Hear them alibi, and you try and prove their alibi. You follow the evidence, the facts. Yo, the facts is, his wife to me is the biggest suspect. And that's all I am going to say about this. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Me no like do them kind of video, yeah, from them pastor boy, yeah, you know. But me just want to show you something. I said I wasn't going to do a video on it, but when I saw the clipping from the Jamaican JV, whatever that is, TVJ, and say police is probing, and then when I hear the police spoke and with the talking head, he's not, they don't have a clue. They're approaching it from the wrong way. It's the wife is the first suspect. My name is Countryman, and I'm out.